Hey, all of you beautiful souls. I know it's been a while. I was visiting Arizona and I got back. I had to unpack all of my things and to sort out some different situations with my cryptocurrency. Now, I wanted to do this video regarding sound and what headphones should we listen to. And I got some beautiful disc drive headphones here. And for all of you people who watch different musicians on YouTube, you've most likely seen them wearing these while they sing or play their instrument and whatnot. Now, when it comes to subliminals, I can speak from a non-audio expert perspective, but I can also give you some insight on, the subliminal side of things. As a subliminal creator, you have the affirmations in the voice reading the affirmations. Now, what you want is a clear and loud and confident voice reading the subliminals, right? And this will achieve faster results. Now, if you didn't have a clear and loud and confident voice, then, you could still achieve results. It's just going to take longer. Now, I don't record my own subliminals. I use AIs that sound very real, and they have a lot of emotion and confidence to where it makes it a lot faster for me. Now, the headphones that are playing the subliminal, the affirmations are going to be a little bit more clear, the confidence or the clarity or the emotion could be a little bit more clear, aka effective, than a basic $5 or $10 pair of headphones at Walmart that aren't high quality. Now, will it be a huge impact? No, it's not that big of a difference in terms of subliminals. Will it definitely help? Yes, absolutely. Now, is it a must? No. So if you can afford it, yeah. I got these on eBay for like 15 bucks with free shipping. They're not expensive now. You can find these just about anywhere now. On the internet. They're very affordable. And what this will do is really enrich the voices that are reading the subliminals. As I said, you're not supposed to hear the affirmations with a subliminal, but trust me, they're still being read and it still will make a difference. And you can hear the voices reading the affirmations, but it's not loud enough to where your conscious mind can make out what it's saying. Like when a truck's driving by and you're trying to listen to someone, you can hear them talking, but you can't listen or clearly hear the words that they're saying. Now, in terms of frequencies and sounds, it will also make those more clear. Now, are the frequencies and sounds going to work? I laugh because yes, of course, if you have headphones or, if you're listening without headphones, they're still going to work. However, it's obviously going to be more clear. It's going to feel better. Your body's and your subconscious mind, is going to connect more to it. So it's when you go and play baseball or softball, or you're in your PE class, or you're at the gym. You just need a pair of tennis shoes, or honestly, just a pair of shoes to get into the gym or your PE class. Right now, are your feet going to be as durable, or are you going to be able to run as fast, compared to a, high-end pair of, sprinting, cleats, with the spikes in them, and are really lightweight compared to, just grabbing a random pair of, used, I don't know, Vans or something? No, of course not, unless if you're longboarding, but in terms of running, no. When you're playing softball or baseball, all you need is a used mitt to catch that ball. But is the ball going to hurt a little bit more when they throw those fastballs? Is it going to be, is the grip going to be as good as a, higher end mitt? No. But at the end of the day, the person that's, using the mitt and the person that's running with the shoes is what's most important. At the end of the day, it's about the subliminals. At the end of the day, it's about the affirmations. The subliminal creator. That's what really matters. 90% of it, or 90, maybe even 99% of it, right? But if you have the money, if you have the 15 bucks, absolutely recommend grabbing a pair of these bad boys.